Good morning, Year 6, and welcome along to another week of mathematics with me. I hope you all had a good weekend. I hope you're all refreshed and ready to do some difficult calculations today. Well, not that difficult, but you know what I mean. So today we're looking at how to understand multiplication of decimals. Our learning ladder, to be successful, we need to be able to multiply be able to apply, if I can speak, our multiplication knowledge to decimals, to be able to set the calculation out using the formal strategy, to use lift and shift, which means multiply or divide by 10 to adjust, okay? And then obviously answering the multiplication of decimals on our LBQ. So our starter today is going to be the same as our starter was on Friday, okay, but just a little bit more understanding of it today. Just having a look at why these 0.8 and these 8, why is the answer 10 times smaller, okay? And it's because when you put in the tens and ones, you put your number, your 24, into the tens and ones, and you divide it by 10, it goes to 2.4. The same digits, just different place value. And it's exactly the same when we times something by 8 and 0.8, because 0.8 is 10 times smaller than 8, the answer is always 10 times smaller. It's one of those mathematical rules that will always apply, okay? So 10 times smaller. So spot the pattern, carry it on. If you want to practice other times tables, then please do so as well. Okay, so I'll give you a couple of minutes to pause that and have a go at playing around with your times tables and your decimals. Okay, hopefully you had a good look at different times tables, not just your times 8, and seen that pattern everywhere. Okay, they will always follow that pattern. Formal method. Okay, we have done these in school, so I know that everybody watching this today will be able to do these questions. So just refresh your mind. It is a quick recap. Multiplication, formal method, copy and complete. So have a pause and have a go. Okay, hopefully you had a quick go at those. So let's go to it. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 goes in there. We carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Add my 1 is 19. 192, because it was really 3 times 60. Add the 10. Okay. 4 times 8 is 32. So we put our 2 in the ones column. Our 3, which is 3 tens, goes under the tens column. 4 times 2 is 8, or 4 times 20 is 80. Add my 3 tens is 110. So 10 goes in there, and my 100 goes to my hundreds column. 4 times 100 is 400. Add my 100, 512. Finally, the 4 digit, as you can see, they're not getting harder, they're just getting more digits, more things to carry as you go along. They're no more difficult, whether it's 2 digits by 1 digit or 4 digit by 1 digit. 5 times 7 is 35, so we put our 5 there and we carry our 3 to our tens column. 5 times 2 is 10, add our 3 is 13, and we carry our 100 to our hundreds column. 5 times 9, 45, add the 1, 46. 6 goes in there, we carry our 4. 5 times 3 is 15, add our 4 is 19. So 19,635. Now that's based on your basic times table knowledge, okay? If you are struggling at this point and not really understanding this, I suggest that you go and practice your times tables, because that's what's going to help you with this. If you do not know your times tables off by heart, then the rest of this session is going to get a little bit more tricky. Okay, so practice your times tables. Okay, I'm going to stop there and then I'll do the others on the next one.